We are on vacation. We brought our mini Dаẓh waffle maker with us, and today we're making keto-friendly pancakes for breakfast. Let's make some breakfast. We're going to make 3 waffles today: a plain waffle with strawberries, and a waffle with chocolate chips. We're going to be using birch benders. For the chocolate chips, we're going to be using the Bake Believe that I picked up from Walmart. Dark chocolate with no sugar added. So we're going to start off with 2/3 cup of the birch benders mix and a 1/2 cup of water. And then we're going to mix it up so that'll be nice and easy. This will make 4 pancakes. We're not super hungry this morning. We're going to go out and do some running at the pool. I'm using my Dаẓh waffle maker that my husband bought me. I've been using it almost every day. We certainly make lots of chaffles with it, but today we're going to make waffles because my daughter wanted to have waffles, so we can adjust. The waffle maker is already preheated and ready to go. It'll take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to make a yummy waffle. You can hear the sizzle. So when your Dаẓh waffle maker is preheating, the light will be on. When it's off, it means it's up to temperature and ready to go. So you can go ahead and put your mix in there. We're doing, again, the birch benders waffles. It'll take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to cook your waffle. For our daughter Julia, she likes to have a little bit of syrup in there, but she hates the stickiness of the waffle. So we are going to put some of the Smucker's sugar-free syrup into the mix, so that way it's nice and easy for her to pick up and eat. All right, it's been 4 minutes. Let's get our waffle out. Okay, and on this last waffle, we are going to add some chocolate chips. Okay, get that 5 minutes. And we're ready to go. These are the Bake Believe dark chocolate, no sugar added. We picked them up from Walmart. You can guess and get them on Amazon. Our waffles are done and we're ready for breakfast. We have a plain waffle. We have a waffle with syrup in it and the strawberries. And then this waffle has syrup and the dark chocolate chips. Bon appetit.